Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I am going to be dyeing my hair. I figured, so basically I had my hair cane-roed. I think it's been like a week and a half now since I've cane-roed it, and I wore a wig because I had to do I did a photo shoot, some like clothes and stuff, so you'll see those posts soon on Instagram. But basically I've been wanting to dye my hair for quite some time now, and I was researching, and apparently you had to, it basically couldn't be done on like freshly washed hair with like product in it. So I waited for like until bees basically got tired, and I'm ready to experiment. Like, my hair is short already and I'm actually want to cut it shorter after I dyed it, but the thing is I didn't want to cut it before and then dye the fresh ends, if that makes any sense, because I know like it's gonna be like chemically treated, if that makes sense, but I still want to care about the health of my hair without like mashing up too much. So this is where we're at. I started taking it out because I figured if I take out the cane rows, it's kind of already sectioned, and then I'll just rake through, sorry if you find this there, I'm gonna rake through the bleach and I'll work my way like this way, and then like try and be as quick as I possibly can. So I'm gonna show you what I'm using. So I'm going to be using 30 volume developer. I'm also going to be using some Adore dye. This is in the color 112 blue, indigo blue. This is to help combat the brassiness when I dye the hair, so I want to tint the bleach. I'm also going to be using obviously some bleach. This is a bleach powder that I decided to go with. It was kind of hard because I had to buy these online from the Beauty Supply in America, but you know the hair shop, black hair shop, like packs, I had to go online, so I had to read basically what they were claiming, and this is the least harsh bleach, and it's also tinted blue, so it will help combat the brassiness as well. Also going to need your little cups, my little mixy brush, like it says Shea Moisture but it's not, but yeah, I'm gonna mix it together. Some gloves, because please, we don't know one chemical burn and they hurt, because I've accidentally got them before from when I was bleaching bundles and my hand just started stinging in it and I didn't know why. So yeah, please exercise wisdom and use gloves. So alright, this is what you're gonna need. So I'm gonna take my plastic thing, and I think I'm gonna start off by pouring the bleach powder in because it's easier to gauge. Also please make sure that the area that you're working in is well ventilated. I got all my windows open, and if necessary I'll just go and get a fan also as well. So I'm just gonna start like pouring it in there. .30 volume developer. Wow, it's not even the right way around. 30 volume developer. I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna shake it. Yeah, this smells mad strong. So I've been mixing it. It's a little bit runny. I feel like this is gonna go for a walk so in my scalp, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more bleaching powder to thicken it up. But I still want to like help combat the brassiness, so I'm gonna put in like 2 drops and then see how far that goes. This is in no way, shape or form a tutorial. This is me experimenting. I volunteer myself as tribute. And yeah, it's like got flecks. Okay, so I've mixed the bleach and it's like right there, just like mingling together. So now I'm actually just gonna start taking out. It's annoying, but look at the definition please. I guarantee you when it now comes for me to do braid out, braid out, twist out, it won't look like this. But yeah, so this is what we're working with. So once I've taken it out, I'm just going to
twist it up like this so it still remains in its section and it's not too like long for me to undo when it's time to add the bleach. Excuse me. Okay, so I know I look like a crazy doll right now, but I've basically sectioned off all the parts after taking out all the canery. So now what I'm going to do is I'll undo one section. I'm going to have to take off my glasses so I can come in focus. But yeah, I'm going to take out one of the twists and then start raking through the bleach, and then like just leave it and then just work across. I made blueberry soup. Here it goes. Do, 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 do. Where? My eyes are burning, Brethren.
How did they all just firm this?
I don't know. My eyes, cause. I just breathed. Pretty sure my nose hair's just melted. That took me about 10 minutes.
I think so.
To get through, to get through my whole head. So now it's coated and I've massaged it in. My eyes are stinging, yo. So when you do this, like, put some goggles on or something. I'm gonna get, I'm gonna get a shower cap and put it on my head. Well, kind of, like you see the like brown there versus like the black over here. Brown, black, brown, black. But yeah, let me. Wow. You know, this is what this is what it's doing to my eyes. You see this not focused. This is what it's doing. But yeah, I'll be back when it's like processed. So I'm back, and I'm gonna wait. So it took me 10 minutes to put it in, and then like 15 minutes before I start timing it. So it's probably been in for about 40 minutes now. So I'm actually gonna take it off. As you can see, I feel like I just let all the fumes out. As you can see, it's kind of, it's patchy though, but it's like picked up, like you can see it's light there. There's a patch there and a patch there. But I'm still gonna wash it out. I don't know, I'm gonna see if I can get the back end. Hey, so that'll be that. But yeah, I'm about to wash it out now and see what the damage is. I purposely left out my edges because when I dye it for a second time tomorrow, you know, when I bleach it for a second time tomorrow, I don't want it to be just looking like A4 white paper and then the rest of my head is still orange. But yeah, I'm gonna rinse it out and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've rinsed it out, and as you can see, like, it's hecka patchy, and I didn't go all the way to the roots because I didn't want hot roots, but this is what it's looking like that. This is where I started putting it in, and then I forgot like some sections because I know that back here the hair's soft. I'm not trying to have it like, see, this hair is softer, that's why it's so light. And then if I go back, like this hair here is softer as well, so I'm not gonna run bleach on this again. And then like the middle, that's still like dark, but I'm not mad. Like, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use some any old white conditioner. This is from Lidl. This is the knockoff Jamaican. Look at this, can you imagine? And then I'm going to use the Adore dye in 186 rich eggplant. I'm gonna mix them together and make a purple conditioner concoction to try and tone the like warmth out of it. Because right now it's not actually this. It looks hella orange on camera, but it's not that orange in life. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I put this in my hair. So I thought I'd actually come on camera and just like show you me mixing it in. So I've mixed the conditioner and some of the hair dye, but it's a bit dark, so I'm just gonna mix it again. The colour's actually very nice. And then I'm just gonna leave it on for 5 minutes. Okay, so I've rinsed my hair out, dripping down my neck, and so based on that concentration of colour, I had it in for literally what, like 2 minutes, and I rinsed it out, and it's definitely like toned it down. You lot saw how electric that was looking before, but it's taking it right down, and that was like bright yellow. Oh, maybe I could have put that more conditioner there, but I look like a tiger right now. But yeah, so the idea is tomorrow I'm gonna do this whole process again, and then I'm gonna do this whole process again tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. The aim is to just have a nice light blonde that's closer to even than looking all patchy like this. So yeah, now it's just gonna air dry, and that's it. I'm just gonna air dry it, and hopefully my hair talk looks better tomorrow. So I'll be back when my hair is dry, so I'll see you tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's day 2 of bleaching, and I've sectioned off, well, I didn't do it because at this point, okay, look guys, really and truly you should go to a professional, but it's lockdown. I don't have access to professionals, so it's DIY everything. So my sisters helped me section the front 2/3 into 4, so there's 4 there. And then because I have different textures, the nape of my hair is softer, so that process is way quicker. So we've sectioned it off to do the rest of the hair first, and then my face is so ashy, but yeah, then we're going to do the roots of everything, and then we're going to go into the nape, and then we're going to fix the like patchy parts. So I'll come back when it's applied, or I might do a speed through, but they don't kind of want to be in the video, so I'll show you when it's done, in it.
You're just annoying.
Let it begin. Let it begin.
Alright, man.
Trying to kill the vibe.
No, I'm saying don't knock the bleach bowl.
Oh. Enlist the help. Who?
And my hands was in it.
Yeah.
No, you're in it too. Not
Okay.
your face though, just your top.
Just your hands.
Right,
Oh,
so where
so
we put in the
starting?
bowl?
My ear brethren.
I am.
Nah, yesterday my ears were doing. They were doing.
I was doing chaka choy.
Chaka choy.
Furnace.
Troy.
I don't know, burning. My God said they was doing furnace. It should have made me laugh so much.
Okay, so guys, so this is after bleach number 2. The roots lifted how I want it, but basically what her hair thing. So we were putting the blue Adore dye.
the blue one, yeah. But by mistake, when we were like mixing it in, we put purple in.
Sorry.
So now it turned it to a like you see the pink tones. So we're actually gonna have to like bleach it again to lift it and try and like get to this yellow. Like the roots were hot, so it got to like white. To be fair, I'm not mad at the depth difference, but you know, like let me actually show you the back because I don't like when people don't do a 360. So this is what we're looking at. But yeah, I still have an afro in my head in Jeopard, and I'm not bald, so it's good. So I'm back, and I have some. What do I have in here? I have my deep conditioning mask. So as you can see, the pink didn't lift, and the roots are basically blonde like what I wanted. But at the same time, I'm not actually mad. Like, it's not the blondes that I wanted, but we're just gonna rock this coral thing. I'm gonna cut it again. I just wanted to give it a chance to see if I had to cut, if I could lift the pink so I didn't dye my fresh ends if I just decided to go ahead and cut it. But yeah, I'll do a U-turn. This is the back. In it. This is it now. So at this point, the next time you'll see me, it'll probably be styled in a wash and go. I think I'm gonna do wash and go. If I do end up cutting it the next time before you guys see me, I will film how I style my shorter hair. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my experimental alchemy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Wow, with 4 fingers, you know. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, homies.